this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be really short. I just want to go over the phenomenal SVG files that come with the Good Life paper collection. These digital files can be used in any cutting machine. You just download them into your machine and then you can cut them any size, any color you want. So that you get all of these items for $9.95. So you get a 2-page layout. All the items on here can be used separate, taken off. You can take the windmill off and use it on something else. The grass for the card you can use somewhere else. The wood is just, I love this card. It came out really cute. So you can use that idea on other items, the broken fence, the barn. It's just, there's just so many elements for $10. But anyways, if you place a big order with me, and at the beginning of the video, I put the stamp of the month details. So you order the stamp of the month, you place an order. If it's this much, you get a free layout, blah, blah, blah. But if you place your orders $125 or more after all your discounts, before shipping and tax, then I will send you everything here cut out as my thank you for that big order, including the 2-page layout. All right, so let me show you what they look like. You also get this sheet where I have printed out all of the items that you will get. They might be different colors, but this will show you what you get so you have a good reference. And on the back is a larger picture of that layout. Okay. So this is one of the cards, and I use some inking on those wood slats to make them really show like they're wood. And it's just plain simple, perfect, especially for, a guy's card. Just put a happy birthday on there. It's great. And this one is so cute. I did add an offset to this to give it some more dimension, but hey there, with the grass, I could see stamping maybe some silhouette behind here or doing some more inking on this base card. There's just so many extra things that you can do. So this is all the cutouts that I already did, and they're put into kits, and all the kits are already gone. I've already had enough orders, large orders, to do that. But I can always make more because I have the whole digital file. So this is the grass, and you can see it's blue. You could make it in green. All the wood pieces for the fences. The wheelbarrow I love because I don't have a good wheelbarrow SVG file. And then one of these, it's like a rain barrel. I actually have one of these. My dogs use it as a bathtub. The barn, it's just great. And it cuts out so good in my Cricut. The close to my heart paper just is phenomenal in the Cricut. And the titles, Farm Life, Garden Fresh, Harvest Love. And then the buttons, these are 2 pieces. So there's a back piece and then the round piece for the ridge on the button. And it's just the same cardstock turned over, so the dark side on one piece and the light side on the other piece, because our cardstock is double-sided. And this will show it as well with the harbor and this label. I actually use it as a title base. And then this milk can, and these hearts were from the inner part of this, and I did an offset on this title, and this title. A lot of times I did an offset on the wheelbarrow too. I'll do the offset because I need to know where to put all the letters and the elements for embellishment, and I'm sure whoever I send these to will need that as well. I even put an offset behind the grass here because I didn't know where to put the grass. So it helped. I mean, you have the picture for reference, but an offset helps tremendously. So I do that for my customers. The layout. And I will put a picture here of how these back pieces go, because they can be a little challenging if you don't know where they're laid out, because you got in your kit all the pieces and they're all scattered. So you're like, how do you piece them together? It's like a puzzle. So I will put a picture here for reference for those of you who do get this kit, or anyone who might buy it outright. So you get the title and page, the photo mats, the mailbox. I love it. This is 2 pieces as well. The wood stand is also 2 pieces. The wood slats here are another piece. It's just, they think of everything. And the windmill is really, really nice. Now, this came as separate pieces. I went ahead and joined it together, but then when I went to glue it here, I wanted the red part to show, so I had to cut them off and glue them down. But at least in the kits, they're all together so that you know where they go, right? All right, and then there's extra pieces that go on the windmill to give it some dimension. Now, I thought about inking all these, added even more dimension and interest, but I thought, well, you know, maybe somebody will want to see it just the way it's going to look. And I can always make another layout with inking and distressing and, you know, adding dimension to the clouds and so much you could do with it. So that is the SVG file for The Good Life. It is a really good one, and they just keep coming out with better ones all the time. I really, really like these. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, as always, let me know. Please like and subscribe and share if you know anyone that might enjoy this. And I'll have some close-ups here at the end. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.